Mayong adlaw mga ka-partner. Anayata karon sa Cebu. Kauban nato ang Deputy General Manager for Truck Financing Division, Partner Joel Carmona. Ano ba yung gagawin natin ngayon?
Yes, ka-partner Nabs, no? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Visayas area para isorpresa ang ating top 1 dealer sa Visayas area na walang iba kundi si Sir Muhammad Irfan. So ano pang ginagawa natin, ka-partner Nabs?
Tara, let's go!
Yes, tara na!
Mga ka-partners, naanata din karon sa truck display sa atong top 1 truck dealers din sa Visayas. Walay lain kundi ang Anjom CGI Traders. Unsa pa niyo gihulap? Sulod na ta! Woo!
Hi sir, good afternoon. We would like to award you sir this plaque of appreciation for being top dealer Visayas.
Congratulations, Sir Muhammad Irfan of Anjom CGI Traders for being top 1 truck dealers in Visayas!
First of all, thank you so much. We appreciate that you always cooperate us. It's all of you. So we are selling our unit and then you always kind to us so that we come to a number 1 dealer in Visayas. Thank you so much. Yes, your service is very nice and good. Always when we sell some unit and then we request to make it fast, you must be listen us and then always kind to us. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Sir, thank you.
Thank you so
And
much.
thank you.
Global domain name is Pade Pala.
Yay!